Welcome to Ben's solar panels. As you can see here, we have a solar panel correctly installed. I'll just move this chair just to ensure complete wattage. This is mega power. These cables run straight through. We've made an energy, that is the TARDIS, we've made an energy connection center, which you can see here. And no problem at all, bear with. I now come in to the energy center. Alright, this is the hub. Mitty's food, a little dog, a slightly knackered light. Mitty's been out. It comes into the power center, into the charger, and in to the solar center. We are charging at 19 volts. Wow. It'll be fully charged in 31 hours. Thank you for watching. Time out.